Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Denis Dewan. I'm from class management 222DX. Okay, I'm here present to text object and overview. Text objects are the fundamental building blocks of any text system. The representation the entities, asset, and transaction that are subject to taxation. What are the text objects? Text objects are specific items or sentences that are subject to taxation. Number one, asset. Tenable and intangible asset like real estate, vehicle, and intellectual property. Number two, income. Earning from various sources, including wages, salaries, and investment returns. Number three, transaction. Commercial activities such as sales purchases and financial transaction. Importance of the text object. Text objects are crucial for an efficiency text administration. Number one, accurate calculation. Text objects provide the basis for calculating accurate tax liability. Number two, transparency. They ensure transparency and accountability in the tax collection and information. Number three, compliance. Tax objects help taxpayers comply with their tax obligation. Tips types of the tax object. Tax object can be category based on their nature and the tax law governing them. Real estate, land, building, and structure. Number two, income, wages, salaries, and investment returns. Number three, transaction, sales, purchase, and financial transaction. Calculating tax object. Calculating tax object involves determining their value and applying relevant tax rates. Number one, valuation. Number determining the market value or fair value of the tax object. Number two, tax rate application. Applying the appropriate tax rate based on the tax object category. Number three, taxability calculation. Calculating the total tax liability based on the value and the tax rate. Reporting tax object. Tax objects are reported to tax authorities using specific forms and procedure. Number one, tax forms. Taxpayers use designed tax form to report detail of their tax object. Number two, reporting deadlines. Taxpayer must be adhere to specific deadline for filing tax report. Number three, tax authority verification. Tax authority review report information to ensure compliance. Managing tax object. Effective tax object management is crucial for managing tax liability and maintaining compliance. Number one, record keeping. Maintaining ensure record of all tax objects. Number two, tax planning. Strategically managing tax object to minimize the burdens. Number three, compliance monitoring. Regularly review tax object information to ensure compliance with regulation. Compliance and tax object. Tax object play a vital role in ensuring compliance with the tax law and regulation. Number one, legal requirement. Tax law and regulation define specific rules for, for reporting and managing tax object. Number two, a tax audience. Tax authority conduct audience to verify the accurately of tax object reporting. Number three, penalty for non-compliance. Failure to comply with the object regulation can result in penalty. Optimizing tax object. Tax object optimizing influence finding ways to minimize the liability while remaining compliant. Number one, tax planning. Pro proactive strategy or reduce tax burdens by structuring transaction and asset holdings. Number two, tax dedication. Utilizing eligible tax dedication to reduce taxable income. Number three, tax credit. Claiming tax credit to offset tax liabilities. Future trends in the tax object. Technology and globalization and are shaping the future of the tax object. Digitalization, tax platform and simplifying that object management. Number two, internationalization, tax object to increasingly subject to international tax regulation. Okay, finish. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.